The tiger who came to tea. To Tassie and Matty. Once there was a little girl named Sophie, and she was having a tea with her mummy in the kitchen. Suddenly, there was a ring at the door. Sophie's mum said, "I wonder who that can be. It can't be the milkman, because he came this morning. It can't be the boy from the grocery, because this isn't the day he comes. And it can be Daddy, because he's got his key. We better open the door and see. I wonder who's at the door." Sophie opened the door and there was a big, furry, stripey tiger. The tiger said, "Excuse me, but I'm very hungry. Do you think I could have tea with you?" Sophie's mummy said, "Of course, come in." So the tiger came into the kitchen and sat down at the table. Sophie's mummy said, "Would you like a sandwich?" But the tiger didn't take one sandwich. He took all the sandwiches on the plate and swallowed them in one big mouthful. Whoop! And he still looked hungry. So Sophie passed him the buns. But again the tiger didn't eat one bun. He ate all the buns on the dish. And all the cake, until there was nothing left to eat on the table. So Sophie's mom said, "Would you like a drink?" And the tiger drank all the milk and in the milk jug and all the tea in the teapot. Then he looked around in the kitchen to see what else he could find. He ate all the supper that was cooking in the saucepans and all the food in the fridge and all the pockets and tins in the cupboard. And he drank all the milk, all the orange juice and all Daddy's beer and all the water in the tap. Whoa. Then he said, "Thanks for my nice tea. I think I'll better go now." And he went. Sophie's mommy said, "I don't know what to do. I got nothing for Daddy's supper. The tiger has eaten it all." And Sophie found that she couldn't take her bath because the tiger drank all the water in the tap. And then Sophie's daddy came home. So Sophie's mummy said what happened and how the tiger had eaten all the food and drunk all the drink. And Sophie's daddy said, "I don't know what we'll do. I got a very good idea. We'll put on our coats and go on to the cafe." So they went out in the dark and all the street lamps were lit. All the cars had their lights on and all they walked down the road to the cafe. They had a lovely supper with sausages and chips and ice cream. Yummy. In the morning, Sophie and her mommy went shopping and they bought lots of things to the car. And they also bought very big tin of tiger food in case the tiger would come to tea again. But he never did. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. And this is the tiger who came to tea. Thank you everybody and